Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a stunning triptych split panel print in Adobe Photoshop. If you've ever wanted to take your favorite photo and turn it into a dramatic 3-panel artwork, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to split any image into 3 seamless pieces ready to print, frame, or share online. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up Adobe Photoshop. It doesn't matter which version you have, this process works in pretty much all recent releases. Once Photoshop is open, bring in the image that you want to split into panels. You can either drag and drop it straight into the workspace, or click File, and then open to browse for your picture. Take a moment to make sure the image is high resolution enough for printing. Triptychs look best when your photo is crisp and vibrant, especially since you'll be enlarging it and displaying it across 3 separate panels. Now, we're going to set up the Slice tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. It might be tucked behind the Crop tool, so just click and hold on that icon if you don't see it right away. The Slice tool is perfect for splitting images accurately because it lets us control exactly where each divide happens. With your Slice tool selected, move your mouse over the image and right-click. This opens up a variety of slicing options. But for making a triptych, we want precise, evenly spaced panels. So from that right-click menu, choose Divide Slice. You'll see a pop-up box with options. We want to focus on dividing horizontally, since the classic triptych is made up of 3 vertical slices side by side, almost like hanging 3 doors next to one another. When you click Divide Horizontally, Photoshop will ask you how many slices you want. Go ahead and set that to 3. Take a moment here. Setting it to 3 ensures each segment will be the same width, which is super important for that polished gallery wall look. If you enter anything else, you'll end up with either too few or too many panels, and it won't have that elegant triptych feel. Once you've entered 3, click OK. Photoshop will automatically cut your image into 3 equal vertical sections. You'll notice fine blue guidelines appear, showing you exactly where each division is. This part might take a few moments if you're working with a large file, so don't panic if it lags for a second. Now, why does this matter? Splitting your image with the Slice tool like this keeps everything lined up perfectly, so when you print out each panel, they'll fit together like puzzle pieces. No awkward gaps, no mismatched edges. Imagine your favorite landscape photo stretching across 3 frames, each lineup matching smoothly from left to right. That's the magic of a triptych. From here, you can export each slice for printing by going to File, then Export, and picking Save for Web or whichever method you prefer. Each panel will be ready for its own print, canvas, or even acrylic mount. And there you have it, a professional-looking triptych made in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. If you have any questions or want to share your results, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.